Hey guys, welcome to another video of DIY stories. In this video we are going to review and unbox a very beautiful waterfall by Poposoap. You can find this product on Poposoap official website and Amazon. I will also share links in the description of the video. Hold on for just a second. Before we dive back in, Poposoap got something exciting for you. On this Earth Day, Poposoap is conducting an event, and you can participate in the event by visiting their official Instagram page. I will also share Instagram link in the description of the video. The event will start on 10th April 12 p.m. Pacific Daytime and ends on 9th May 12 a.m. Also get 10% discount on selected products using promo code 10PowerPond, or you can find Amazon discount link in the description of the video. So without any further delay, let's start with the unboxing. Looking at the box, we have a simple box. On top you will find Poposoap Quick Guide Handbook. This is a step-by-step guide on how to correctly assemble your waterfall. Next I can see a pond tube. One end of the pond tube should be connected to the water pump and another to the waterfall box. The best thing is that it has a decent length. These are glue tubes which will be used to fix the waterfall box together. After this we have a filter bag. This filter bag will prevent leaves and other dirt to damage the water pump. This box seems like it has a water pump. Let's keep it aside for now and we will open it later. Last but not the least, we have a waterfall box. With the water pump, you will get different nozzles and small suction cups. Then we have the water pump. And trust me, the quality of the product looks amazing. This is where we will attach the pond tube. At the back of the water pump we can see the specifications. Now let's open the waterfall box. The waterfall box is made of steel material and it comes in two parts. We have to assemble and fix both the parts with glue. This is the place where we are going to attach the other side of the pond tube. Let's start with assembling the waterfall box. Applying glue because we don't want the water to be dripping while the waterfall is running. So to make it leak-proof, we are applying glue. Now let it dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Now as you can see it is fixed and looks good to me. Now let's attach the pond tube to the water pump first, and then attach the other wires to the waterfall box. Finally, we need to put the water pump in the filter bag and tighten the rope. And here we go, our waterfall is ready to run. Simply put the waterfall box on the edge of the pond and make sure to completely submerge the water pump in the water. Wow, this looks super amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.